I was not sure what would happen or what context it would be in, but I had a sense that something extraordinary would happen of a spiritual nature on the 12th of the 10th month, 1445. A shadow moved strangely before and to the side of me during the first bow set of evening orisons in a group, and I was in this spot that is central to the image before you, which is on the left side of the first row, a couple over from center. And without looking back, I saw that an 8-foot high and 6-foot wide, pointy, open cone-shaped being of a subtle but very bright purple was about 5 feet behind me during the ritual. So it was 2 rows back. And it put off like a wind and a ripple effect by its movement. There was like a not completely straight and wriggling gray tube thing with a clear in the middle, a couple feet before me, pretty much from wall to wall in front of us on the first row. And I guess you could say it was kind of at knee height. And the trance sort of wore off about 22 minutes after those 3 bows. And I'm not sure exactly what minute that was because I forgot and I didn't put it down. But on 8:32, I wrote that I am left with that pleasant and content feeling. And it's if there's a second heart encompassing me with its throbbing beat. And things, when you're in a state like that, are more tranquil, and even the mundane colors and details are like more, but not in an abrasive sort of way. And so we would say that this is the first night hour. And it probably ended a good 2 minutes or so before I wrote that note.